Y'all, mine now. Life's too short to really care on the world. Losing my mind, losing my mind, losing control. These fishes in the sea, they're staring at me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wet world aches for a beat of the drum. Whoa, whoa. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found right now. I'm waiting for this storm to come down, come down. Oh, life's too short to even care at all. Whoa. I'm coming up now out of the blue. These zombies in the park, they're looking for my heart. Whoa. Dark world aches for a splash of the sun. If I could find a way to see it straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found right now. So I run back to the things I said, but restore life the way it should be. Waiting for this car shiver to come down. How are we feeling, guys? Was it being great? How amazing is this band behind us?